Time isn't stolen. It's rewritten. Reality bends to my will. This virus doesn't just infect, it corrupts the very fabric of time.
The clock is ticking. Can they stop the inevitable?
Watch closely, mortal. Illusions become your new reality.
A thief of time! A master of deception!
The future's fate depends on this moment.
Every second stolen fuels the virus's deadly spread. Illusions are my weapon. Time is my battlefield.
We must fight the darkness infecting our time. Time fractures, and so do the hero's hopes. Here, the Hest began.
We're not just fighting Loki. We're fighting time itself.
If the virus wins, the multiverse ends. They see what I want them to see. When time breaks,
So do the rules.
a single strike, and history changes. I'm not just stealing time. I'm rewriting destiny.
These relics hold the key to saving everything.
Tick, tock. The end is here. Every timeline is mine to command. Deception is the ultimate weapon in this war.
We fight for every stolen second.
Our future is at stake. Time is fragile, and I hold the breaker.
The greatest trick is convincing them it never happened.
For the future!
For the multiverse!
For the future! For the multiverse!
Once time breaks, nothing will ever be the same.
Its power is unstoppable, unless we act now.
Its power is unstoppable, unless we act now.
This is more than a heist. It's a battle for existence.